So, Jai Hind to everyone. I brought this video for the students or for the candidates who are aspiring for becoming airmen and airwomen. This video is going to motivate so many students who are aspiring for becoming airmen and airwomen, because there is a myth about phase second of Air Force that if I know something, if we know how to speak English fluently, then qualifying group discussion is our cup of tea. We can easily qualify group discussion or we can easily qualify our phase second. So they are wrong actually. And there are lots of students who are not able to speak English fluently, and they think we don't know how to speak English fluently, so it is very tough or it is not for us to qualify group discussion or phase second. So even such candidates are also wrong. Then what is the truth? Guys, listen to me carefully. You are just intermediate qualified. Means you have just passed your intermediate. And most of the students or candidates apply for Airforce XY group are from Hindi medium. 10% or less than 10%, as per the experience I'm sharing this data, 10% or less than 10% students are from English medium, and the students who are from English medium not necessarily speak English. I have taught thousands of students and hundreds of students from English medium, and they all, not all are able to speak English. So you can't say the students who are from English medium are able to speak English fluently. No, it is not so. So if you think I don't know how to speak English, then I'm not going to qualify my phase second or my group discussion, you are again wrong. Guys, they are not expecting fluent English from you guys. They know most of the students apply for this post are from Hindi medium. And not to talk about it, they know you are intermediate. And they are not looking for the students who know how to speak English fluently. You are not going for SSB, you are not going for NDSSB, CDS SSB or EPCAT SSB. You are just going for airmen and airwomen post. So they are not expecting fluent English from you guys. So stop thinking that I don't know English is spoken, so I will not be able to qualify my phase second. Hundreds of students leave preparing for phase second just because of their poor spoken English. They think it's not their cup of tea. Someone thinks it's not my cup of tea, so I should not go for the preparation. I will lose my fee. I will have to pay fee. So why should I pay fee if I know I'm not able to qualify my phase second because I don't know how to speak English fluently? No, guys, it is not so. It is not the complete truth. All right, stop thinking this. If you don't know how to speak English, that is secondary thing. What is primary thing is, they look for the qualities that are required for the post of airmen and airwomen. So you guys should possess the qualities or the traits or the skill sets that are required at your post. It's not about spoken English. They are not looking for Angrez. They are not looking for good speaker. They are not judging on the basis of how well English you speak. So guys, chill and work on the skill sets or the things that are required at your post. All right. Be motivated. Be patient. Everything is in your code. If you go for the skill sets or the things that are required and you prepare them well, you will be able to qualify your phase second. There are so many things that I teach during the sessions, during the class, and very soon your result is going to be published. So most welcome to NSC Rankers Neil Sir classes, Agra. You will be provided all the required things that are judged during your phase second. If I talk about myself, my result always is over 90%. rather 95%. Why? Because I don't focus only on the spoken part. It is secondary thing, rather tertiary thing. It's not secondary even. I focus on primary things that are judged, and on the basis of them, you are qualified or disqualified. If you don't have those things, you will be disqualified. If you have those things, you will be qualified. So, not to worry. All right, be uh, patient, be confident. All right, be motivated. Everything is possible. You just have to get the things that are required. All right. So share this video to those students who are afraid of spoken English, and they don't even prepare for face second just because of the fear of spoken English. No, guys, English spoken is not that big thing, and if it is not just during your face second. So need not worry. All right. I will not say anything else. You just have to do is you just have to join any classes that you think will help you in improving your things that are required or that are judged in your face second, whether it is mine or it is someone else's. All right, I'm not saying come to my coaching. I would say go or join the class that is required for you to help in your phase second, to help you in qualifying your phase second. All right. Okay. So I will not say anything more. Thank you and Jai Hind Sabhi ko.